Want a creamy, dreamy dessert that takes just minutes to make? This is my easy tiramisu recipe. No baking, no eggs, just the perfect treat. You'll need ladyfingers, cold strong coffee, mascarpone cheese, heavy whipping cream, vanilla, sugar, and a dusting of cocoa powder to finish it off. I'm also using a splash of Kahlua for that rich coffee flavor. Start by preparing your coffee and mixing in the coffee liqueur. Then set it aside so that it's cool. Bowl, beat your mascarpone cheese with just a splash of cream until smooth. Separate bowl, whip your chilled heavy cream with sugar and vanilla until soft peaks form. Gently fold the mascarpone mixture into the whipped cream. This gives you that creamy, light tiramisu filling. Chill it while we prep the pan. Prep the baking pan with butter and plastic wrap. Before you start dipping the ladyfingers into the coffee mixture, it's important to cut them to fit your baking dish. Dip each ladyfinger quickly into the cold coffee mixture. Don't soak them, just a light dunk. Place them snugly in the bottom of your pan. Spread half of the mascarpone cream on top and smooth it out. Then repeat with another layer of coffee dipped ladyfingers and the rest of the cream. Smooth the top with a spatula. It's really looking amazing now. Just before serving, we're going to dust it with some fine cocoa powder. That looks good. Now we're going to slice it and enjoy. This is a tip I learned from another blogger. Every time you take a cut, wipe your knife. Perfect. See the layers of the ladyfingers, the mascarpone cream. Beautiful. This tiramisu recipe came together in no time. So creamy. You can see how the coffee has soaked into those ladyfingers. Let's give it a try. Oh, you're gonna love this. Just a touch of coffee liqueur of Kahlua. You could also use Tia Maria and a fresh cup of coffee. Just perfect. So if you want more no-bake recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to watch the next recipe. We've got lots of tea time favorites. This is number 3 in our series, and we have 3 more to go. So I hope you'll stay with me and watch more great recipes.